One example of a type of customer would be the people that are installing, configuring your products. I'd argue they're a type of customer because if you're not delivering exceptional value to them, if you're not making it easier for them to do their job effectively, then that's going to be a problem, and you're going to see it. It's going to hit your bottom line. There's going to be longer install times. There's going to be more returns of products that people couldn't get, configured or installed, and that's going to drive cost. And so thinking about your intermediaries like that, your installers, for example, out in the field, if you can make their job effortless, what it means is they're going to be able to deliver a better experience to your end customers because they're going to get the product up and running sooner, faster, with less hiccups. And it's going to hit your bottom line because you're not going to have to roll another truck with a senior tech to go out and figure out what went wrong. How do we fix the problem? So I think that's really critical for companies to understand that there are many constituencies for whom you need to design a great customer experience. It might not just be the person writing the check that's buying your product or service. It might be the intermediary that's selling it. It might be the intermediary that's helping to install and configure it. You've got to get all of those constituencies on board, engaged, equipped to do a fantastic job if you're going to have any hope of delivering that great experience to the end consumer.